The music is Cardigan by Taylor Swift. You see sheet music and finger positions on this video. Feel free to download the sheet music from our website. Enjoy. Thank you. First, let's take a look at the sheet music. This is the sheet music. There are 3 frets. You can get another sheet music which doesn't have any key signature, no flat, no sharp on our website. This is the another sheet music with no key signature. Some of you may feel more comfortable with this. Let's see the finger positions and start playing. When you see the sheet music, first note G is on the treble clef. In the music, she is singing from bass clef G. So I play on the original key G with no repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Let's listen the whole music.